How to open another Gmail account on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and then click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on add another account. And here you will be able to select the platform on which your account is, say for example Google. And here you will be able to add your account starting from the email, and after that the password and your account will be added. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add an extra Gmail account on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.